Welcome back to another new video. So today we're gonna see how we're gonna use a crafter and what auto crafting is really about in Minecraft, Bedrock, and Java. So let's get a quick example. Here flip a switch, and what this contraption does for me, it automatically starts making multiple swords and continuously makes them for me. So let me just turn that off quick. So let's get to the basics of it. Here, this is a crafter. We can use this to, craft recipes, and we can enable or disable any slots. What this does is gives control to us for what we want to get crafted. To craft an item, just press a button and the crafter will do the job. For example, here I have filled this crafter with gold nuggets and it's gonna give me a gold ingot, and I'm gonna press the button and it popped out a gold nugget. Moving forward, we can also link these crafters together. For example, in this first one, I have used oak wood to craft oak planks, and then the second one takes those planks and use them to make sticks. So what all of this combined does, it takes wood only, and then it gives out the sticks. Here you can see it works. Moving onward, we can also hook the crafter to a redstone clock to automate it further. This setup crafts diamond blocks and fills the chest as soon as they are made. It's slow because it needs to fill with diamonds first, but it works well. So let's get a look at it. Here there are some diamonds in the chest. This is a hopper. And let's turn this on. As soon as I turn it on, and this is the chest, and slowly and the blocks of diamond are increasing. Okay. This system works best for recipes with only one item, like blocks or armor. For more complex recipes with different items, you will need a better redstone setup. So what goes on in this current contraption is there's a simple redstone clock, a torch, redstone dust, a repeater, and that's pretty much it. And all of this feeds into the crafter. You don't need a hopper for the output. You can just collect a chest or a large chest or any barrel of some sorts. Here's a fun one. Instead of filling the, dispensers with armor as you would normally do, like this is a dispenser. So instead of just filling it with this, what you can do is connect it with a, crafter. And the thing is, what will happen is as soon as this gets crafted, it's gonna push it into the dispenser. And if you set up quite right, like I did, what's gonna happen is you're gonna just go over these pressure plates and you can just, keep equipping yourself with those items and it restocks automatically. Here, let me see. As you can see, the dispenser restock it itself, and same goes for the crafter. It automatically keeps on doing it. Lastly, guys, if you want items like swords that need multiple ingredients, you need comparators and hoppers. So here we can see multiple hoppers and then one and two comparators here. So what is going to help us is that timing matters. You need to insert two iron ingots and a stick at the right moment. So as we can see, according to our crafting, I'm going to feed it two iron ingots and then a stick only. So from these chests, the items go into the hopper and this comparator controls the rate at which they go. And therefore, when we turn on our system, the reason the swords are coming out of the chest is because the chest is already filled, but you get my point. If it's not filled, it's gonna get stored in the chest. So what we're gonna do now is just close it. So let me explain a bit here. This setup includes comparator, redstone lines, a repeater, and a lever. And this is a basic redstone clock, just like the one I showed you previously. It's a bit modified and it goes into our system here. We have another repeater down here and some redstone torches, redstone blocks, and all of this helps us to automate the whole process of making a iron sword. So that's pretty much from my side on the basics. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you guys in my next video.